Beep.
Beep.
Right. I've finished the rows of increases on the, what is it? Fox.
Fox, yeah.
On the fox. So we've got 60 stitches. I have done it with a bigger hook because the small hook was too small for me to feel the individual stitches.
Put down the vodka.
I couldn't feel the stitches on a smaller hook, so this is it a, what was it, a
3.25
and it should be a 2 point what?
5.
2.5, so it's substantially bigger. Not that bigger, is it?
No.
It's bigger, so the end result is slightly bigger than it would be, but it's such easy because it's all it is 10 rows. Well, your initial row of 6 and then 9 rows of increases. That's it. So it's very easy, and that's it so far. And next I will do the however many rows of
6, I think. Six
rows
rows stay the same, I believe.
Staying the same, yes.
Yeah.
So I'll crack on with that and
come
rejoin
back.
you afterwards.
Excellent.